Maverick's riveting story about gifted scientist Albert Einstein, creator of both relativity theory and transfer between mass and energy. Once upon a time, in the quaint city of Ulm, Germany, on March 14, 1879, a baby boy was born to Hermann and Pauline Einstein. Little did the world know that this child would grow up to transform our understanding of the universe. His name was Albert Einstein. As a child, Albert was quiet and introverted. He struggled in school, not because he was unintelligent, but because he couldn't adapt to the strict, traditional methods of teaching. His rebellious nature led him to question everything, a trait that would ultimately define his career. One day, his father gifted him a compass, and Albert was fascinated by the invisible force that made the needle point north. This sparked his curiosity and set him on the path to becoming a scientist. At 12, Albert stumbled upon a book on geometry. It ignited in him an insatiable hunger for knowledge, a passion for unraveling the mysteries of the universe. Despite his teacher's doubts, Albert persevered, following his curiosity wherever it led him. He was particularly drawn to the works of great scientists like Isaac Newton and James Clerk Maxwell, whose theories would later inspire his own groundbreaking ideas. When he was 16, Einstein applied to the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology, ETH, in Zurich. Although he failed the entrance exam, his exceptional performance in mathematics and physics earned him a place at the Swiss Federal Polytechnic, where he met his first love, Mileva Maric. They would later marry and have 3 children, but their relationship would be tested by the demands of Einstein's growing fame. After graduating, Einstein struggled to find a job. The young scientist was frustrated, but he did not let it dampen his spirits. Instead, he took a position as a clerk at the Swiss Patent Office. It was during this period, working in relative obscurity, that Einstein made his most groundbreaking discoveries. In 1905, a year now known as his Annus Mirabilis, or Miracle Year, Einstein published 4 papers that would forever change the course of physics. His work on the photoelectric effect provided evidence for the quantized nature of light, proving that light is both a wave and a particle. This laid the foundation for the field of quantum mechanics and earned him the 1921 Nobel Prize in Physics. That same year, he also published his theory of special relativity. This revolutionary concept upended our understanding of space and time, introducing the idea that time is relative and depends on an observer's motion. It was encapsulated in the famous equation E equals mc squared, which established the equivalence of energy and mass. The theory also predicted that nothing can travel faster than the speed of light, a conclusion that has since been confirmed by numerous experiments. Special relativity has far-reaching consequences, including the famous phenomenon of time dilation. This occurs when 2 objects are moving relative to each other at a significant fraction of the speed of light. Observers in each object will experience time differently, with the faster-moving observer experiencing time at a slower rate than the stationary observer. This effect has been experimentally verified in numerous instances, such as when atomic clocks flown in airplanes were found to run slower than their stationary counterparts. But Einstein wasn't done yet. He knew that his theory of special relativity had limitations, and he was determined to push the boundaries of science even further. In 1915, after nearly a decade of work, he published his general theory of relativity. This groundbreaking theory described the force of gravity as a curvature in spacetime, caused by the presence of mass. It predicted the bending of light around massive objects and the existence of black holes, phenomena that have since been observed and confirmed. General relativity also has significant implications for the large-scale structure of the universe. It predicts the expansion of the universe, a phenomenon first observed by Edwin Hubble in the 1920s, and later confirmed by the discovery of the cosmic microwave background radiation, a remnant of the Big Bang. The theory even suggests the existence of gravitational waves, ripples in spacetime caused by the acceleration of massive objects. These elusive waves were finally detected in 2016 by the LIGO and Virgo observatories, a century after Einstein first predicted them. In 1919, British astronomer Sir Arthur Eddington confirmed Einstein's general theory of relativity during a solar eclipse, catapulting the humble patent clerk to worldwide fame. Albert Einstein had become a household name, and he used his newfound celebrity to advocate for peace and social justice. Despite his fame, Einstein remained dedicated to his work. He spent the next few decades refining his theories, searching for a unified field theory that could reconcile the forces of nature into a single, elegant equation. This quest would ultimately prove elusive, but it did not dampen his enthusiasm for scientific exploration. He made significant contributions to the understanding of the atomic nucleus and the nature of elementary particles, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge ever further. In 1933, the rise of the Nazi Party in Germany forced Einstein to flee his homeland. He settled in the United States, accepting a position at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey. It was here that he would spend the remainder of his career, contributing to the development of the atomic bomb, though he later expressed deep regret about its use in warfare. Throughout his life, Einstein was driven by a relentless curiosity and a belief in the beauty and simplicity of nature's laws. He faced numerous challenges, both personal and professional, but never wavered in his pursuit of knowledge. His determination, creativity, and courage have left an indelible mark on the history of science. Albert Einstein passed away on April 18, 1955, but his work and his story continue to inspire scientists and dreamers alike. He once said, "Imagination is more important than knowledge." For knowledge is limited, whereas imagination embraces the entire world, stimulating progress, giving birth to evolution. Albert Einstein's life is a testament to the power of perseverance, passion, and curiosity. It teaches us that we must not be afraid to question the world around us, to challenge conventional wisdom, and to dream of a better future. His story motivates us to believe in ourselves, even when others doubt our abilities. It shows us that success is not measured by the titles we hold or the accolades we receive, but by the impact we have on the world. So, let Einstein's journey inspire you to embark on your own adventure, to push the boundaries of human knowledge and make the world a better place. As you pursue your dreams, remember the words of this legendary scientist: "A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new." Go forth, be curious, and dare to change the world. For it is through the pursuit of knowledge, the spark of imagination, and the power of determination that we can truly make a difference. And perhaps, one day, you too will leave a mark on the universe, just as Albert Einstein did. Let his life serve as a reminder that even when faced with adversity, one's determination and passion can lead to greatness. Embrace your inner Einstein and seek to understand the mysteries of the universe, using your imagination and creativity to make the world a more enlightened place. Remember, the story of Albert Einstein is not just the story of a brilliant physicist, but of a human being who dared to dream big and change the world.